Oh ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Mr. Angga Kurniawan, SPD MKOM, thank you for your guidance, direction, and support you have provided through of the internship process and the preparation of this report. I would also like to thank my friend who have taken the time to attend today. On this occasion, I will present the result of my internship and detailed analysis taxpayer characteristic and region potential based on clustering result at the Penda. Okay, research background. Local text collection is often suboptimal and uneven due to a difference in taxpayer characteristic and limitation in data analysis, which is still administrative in nature. Banyumas Regency has a significant tax potential in various sectors, but this is not yet supported by taxpayer mapping that can show patterns, activity level, and similar in characteristic between sub-districts. Therefore, the clustering method is used to group text pair based on similar characteristics, so then text potential can be mapped between region and support more than target population and to increase local revenue. Okay, the problem formulation one is what are the results of clustering taxpayer based on similar in characteristics such as text category and sub-district location. Two, what are the characteristics of dominative of the text in each cluster and what are the implementation of the potential and strategy of local tax revenue management by the regional revenue agency Banyumas. Okay, the scope of activity during the internship at Region Revenue Agency Banyumas or Bapenda Banyumas, the author was initially assigned to Tax Division 1 and the transferred to Tax Division 2 after the second week. The scope of activity assigned to author include the process of the managing region tax administration data, conferring an understanding of the tax administration data cycle from the receipt of the taxpayer document, recording SPPT objection data to archiving document both physically and digitally. The dataset in image is a sample of the data that will be used in activity text object dataset from the period of Augustus 25, 2025, namely the list of activity groundwater text object used by Bapenda to record groundwater text objects that are still active. Before future analysis and the data is cleaned and merged. The pre-processing and encoding after the data has been merged and missing value has been handled, the data is categorized based on uh, criteria such as text type, business category, or region. The category encoding state in process of converting non-numeric or categorical data into numerical form. The determining the number of cluster based on elbow method graph, selecting three cluster is considered most the appropriate because at key 3 there is noticeable change in the curve shape, which is begin to flatten. The decrease in invertia value from key 2 to key 3 is quite significant. In indicating the separation the data into the three groups improve that quality of clustering. The clustering in table 1, the following are the reference value for each text variable in each cluster based on its centroid. And the table 2, the table shows the reference value from the 5 subdistricts with the highest value in each cluster. Okay, this is the visualization of clustering and the centroid. The clustering results are divided into three clusters, where the cluster 0 is represented in blue, cluster 1 is in orange, and cluster 2 in green. Evaluation and model. Evaluation model in the graph, the highest silhouette value is obtained at key 3, which is around 0.28 8. So this number of clusters can be considered the most optimal configure compared to other key value. However, with the value of 0.28, it means the most of the data is closer to its own cluster than uh, to outer cluster, but the distance is not too far. Result number one is cluster 0 is most entirely dominating by adversing category. Cluster 1 is dominating by food or beverage, while cluster 2 is more diverse cluster dominating by commercial or industry and lodging as well as small portion of entertainment and other categories. Result number two is East, South, and North Purwokerto are dominated by cluster 0 or adversing, reflecting a Purwokerto role as the administrative, trade, and service center of Banyumas Regency. Meanwhile, sub-districts such as Baturaden and Sokaraja saw a more balancing cluster distribution, with Baturaden having a higher proportion of cluster 2, influenced by its tourism activity and the growth of lodging and tourism-related business. Conclusion, clustering analysis product of the cluster of the taxpayer with different characteristic and distribution in Banyumas Regency. Urban areas saw a heightened concentration of taxpayer with a dominance of certain types of taxes. There's different reflection variance in economic activity between regions. This result can be used by the region revenue agency to develop more targeted and data different to tax optimist strategy. Thank you everyone for your attention. I'm fully aware that this work still has limitation. Therefore, I would greatly appreciate any suggestion and feedback from the audience. Ada yang ingin ditanyakan?
Oke, sebelumnya aku mau tanya, kenapa eh, kamu itu lebih memilih metode clustering metode clustering pada data tersebut bukan metode klasifikasi? Nah, berikan alasan.
Baik, terima kasih untuk pertanyaannya. Pemilihan metode clustering ini didasarkan pada data yang digunakan. Klasifikasi mungkin membutuhkan data yang berlabel, sedangkan data wajib pajak yang digunakan belum memiliki target atau label tertentu. Oleh karena itu, saya lebih memilih melakukan clustering untuk mengidentifikasi pola awal dari data dibandingkan untuk melakukan klasifikasi.
Oke, pertanyaannya sudah menjawab. Terima kasih.
Baik, oke, mungkin cukup sekian. This conclusion my presentation of internship result. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you guys.